Hi, and welcome to Desert Duo Adventures. My name is Liz, and today we'll be looking at a room we stayed at in Walt Disney World, Florida, in Disney's Pop Century Resort. This resort, located just outside the park, is themed according to the decades, starting with 1990, going all the way back to 1950. Entrance to the main lobby is very easy to find. As you enter, the check-in will be to the right, and a huge Disney store will be to the left. The lobby and check-in area was huge, making it very easy to check in and then head straight to the room. As you head outside toward the rooms, you'll see that all rooms are accessible from the outside, and each section is modeled after a specific decade. Signs throughout the resort will lead you to the section where your room is located. The section we stayed in was modeled after the 1950s. You might notice that some of the landscaping seems dry or dead. Unfortunately, there was a freeze just the week before we got here, so that did impact some of the trees and plants in the area. The walk from the lobby to our room took about 5 minutes. Now, while we were located on the second level, we opted to take the stairs, but each building does have an elevator, making it easier to get your luggage up to the room if you're on a higher floor. Room 3211 is located right across from the pool on the corner of the building. We found the location very easy to access, and it did provide great views all the way around. Disney's Pop Century Resort is one of the more affordable resorts at Walt Disney World. As a result, you're going to get an affordable room with plenty of space, not necessarily luxurious, but everything you need, and plenty of storage. This room came with a full-size bed. It also came with a Murphy bed, located behind the table and chairs. If you need the Murphy bed, please let the staff know, and they can bring that down at the end of the day. The bathroom came with a shower tub combo, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and plenty of storage for all of your bathroom necessities. The room does include a steam iron/iron, a hair dryer, and in addition to that, the room also includes a small coffee maker and refrigerator. Please note the room does not include a microwave. Overall, we found this hotel and resort to be fantastic. A great value, a clean room, and everything we needed. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.